Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. Today we are going to learn class 9th foundation of the subject physics, and chapter number 1 is measurement and units. In this part we are going to learn, in the part 9 we are going to learn density and relative density. Density and relative density. Density is defined as mass per unit volume of the substance, and its measuring formula is density D is equal to mass upon volume. Units in CGS system of density are gram per centimeter cube, and in SI system the units of density are kg per meter cube. Now there is an example. When we say density of kerosene is 0.8 gram per centimeter cube, it means 1 centimeter cube of kerosene weighs 0.8 gram. Note that the value of density of water in CGS unit is 1 gram per centimeter cube, and in SI unit it is 1000 kg per meter cube. Now the dependence. Density depends upon the nature of material. That is, if material is same, density is same, two copper spheres will have same density since they are made up of same material, but a copper sphere and silver sphere will have different densities since their nature of materials are different. When we say nature of material, the arrangement of atoms per molecule in copper different from the arrangement of atoms per molecules in silver. Now the relative density. We have seen in some examples that density of zinc is more than aluminium, but density of zinc is less than density of iron. This means density of zinc is more with respect to some substances, and also density of zinc is less with respect to some other substances. This is somewhat confusing. So we need to have some standard substance where we can compare the densities of different substances. Scientists have found that the standard substance is water, and all the other substances can be compared with density of water. As density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube, this comparison of different substances with standard reference of water is called relative density. Now, the relative density is the ratio between the density of the substance and the density of water. It is also called specific gravity. Now, relative density of a substance is equal to density of substance upon density of water. Density of substance upon density of water. Now units. As relative density is the ratio of two similar quantities, it is a mere number and has no units. Example is there. Relative density of mercury is 13.6. It means mercury is 13.6 times more heavier than water. Note that substances which are heavier than water could sink in water and lighter than water will float. Chart showing densities of different materials. The density of ice in CgS is 0.62 gram per centimeter cube, and in kg per meter cube it is 920 kg per meter cube. Density of iron is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube and 7800 kg per meter cube. Density of mercury is 13.6 gram per centimeter cube. Density of mercury is 13,600 in kg per meter cube. Density of vapor gas, that is gas, is 0.00059 gram per centimeter cube, and density of vapor gas is 0.59 in kg per meter cube. Density of water is 1.0 gram per centimeter cube and 1000 kg per meter cube. Density of wood is 0.5 gram per centimeter cube and density of wood is 500 kg per meter cube. I hope you've understood till this. In part 10, we will learn some problems on density and relative density. Till that, I hope you've understood this part 9 of the introduction of density and relative density. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. Let's meet in part 10. Thank you for watching.